Want to burn stubborn fat faster and boost your energy without extreme diets? The secret is intermittent fasting. This science-backed method helps you lose weight, feel amazing, and even improve your health. Stay with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can start today. So what exactly is intermittent fasting? It's not about eating less, it's about when you eat. Instead of snacking all day, you follow an eating window and a fasting window. The most popular method? The 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. During fasting, your body shifts from burning carbs for energy to burning stored fat. This process is called ketosis, and it's why intermittent fasting melts fat. So, what actually happens inside your body when you fast? After about 12 hours without food, your body runs out of stored sugar and switches to burning fat for energy. This process is called ketosis. It's like flipping a fat-burning switch. But there's more. Fasting also triggers autophagy, a natural process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new, healthy ones. Think of it like a deep cleaning for your body. That's why fasting isn't just about weight loss. It boosts energy, mental clarity, and even slows down aging. Now that you know how fasting works, let's talk about the different ways you can do it. Not all fasting is the same. There are different methods and you can choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. 12-12, great for beginners. You fast for 12 hours and eat within a 12-hour window. 16-8, the most popular. Fast for 16 hours and eat within 8 hours. 18-6, more advanced. Fast for 18 hours, eat in a 6-hour window. OMAD, 1 meal a day. You eat once in a 24-hour period, great for extreme fat loss, but not for beginners. The best part, you don't have to be perfect. Start with a method that feels easy and work your way up. Here's where the magic happens. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, making it easier for your body to access stored fat. Plus, your body increases human growth hormone, helping burn fat and build muscle. And here's the best part. No more energy crashes. When your body burns fat for fuel instead of sugar, you experience steady, all-day energy. That means better focus, productivity, and even improved mood. Starting is simple. First, choose your fasting window. Beginners can start with 12 hours and work their way up to 16 hours. During your eating window, focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, and green veggies. These keep you full and energized. And yes, you can have water, tea, or black coffee while fasting, but no sugar or milk. But don't make these mistakes. Avoid breaking your fast with junk food. It causes blood sugar spikes and cravings. Instead, start with protein and healthy fats. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Hunger is often just dehydration in disguise. So, now that you know the power of intermittent fasting, are you ready to try it? Let me know in the comments which fasting method are you choosing. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and I'll see you in the next video.